which means I'm back in Atlanta. We're going to see Black Panther because she's literally the only person in the world who hasn't seen it yet. Hold on, is that sweet tea good?
It's alright.
I don't think that's even sweet tea, if I'm being honest. But I want to see Black Panther, and we went to the
Sugar water. I forgot you were vlogging.
Okay, but I went to see we wanted to see the 8 o'clock show, but the way the AMC works, they give assigned seating, so there were no seats, and so then we had to check 9:15. We had no seats for like in the very front, and we don't do that. So then there was 9:45.
I did that one time on Valentine's Day because I was going out like on a like a friend's Valentine's Day, and it was last minute. And we were singing single, what's that? I can't remember the movie. It was that movie that was like all about single girls, and it came out specifically on Valentine's Day. But I remember.
Why? That sounds depressing. Why did you do that?
This guy, he was paying for me and my roommate.
That's nice.
Yeah, to go out. So he was like, I'm gonna take y'all on a date for Valentine's Day. Yeah, but we didn't plan correctly because we was all looking up like this. At the screen, and my neck was hurting, and you literally can only feel like this much of the movie when you're there. So no, I'll never do that again.
So the 9:45.
That was a long antidote. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it really was. I was like, get to the point, but I didn't want to say it though.
You could cut some of that out. You could fast forward it and be like.
So yeah, we just let my neck. But So yeah, now we're eating, and things take a long time, so we should be. So we should be there on time. Yeah, if that makes sense to y'all.
What? I think you gotta add the dolphin noise. That's what you do when you curse on YouTube. That add dolphin noise.
I'll just use your voice. And do that instead. But I got a bacon and cheese burger. I think I got pepper jack cheese instead, and then she just got a regular burger, regular. But yeah, we're finna go in. Okay, oh, it's only 8:30, y'all. Maybe we should order a shake, but nah, I'm making excuses to order a shake. Let me not.
I mean, we could see it after they order the food. You caught that on camera?
Yeah. That's disappointing. I'm gonna cut the camera off before I embarrass myself even further. Alright, we walked into the movie theater because you look like you're just struggling in the back. It's dark, you probably can't see. But just walk normally. I feel like you're trying too hard to walk.
Remember last time in the rain?
Yeah, it took a tumble.
It was real hard.
You wanna get in the sidewalk? Come on.
Yep.
Come on, Granny.
Shut up.
But yeah, because we had our mom drop us off at the movie theater, and then that happened. So she came back and dropped us off at the Steak and Shake, but it's really across the street, so we just crossed the street and walked to the movie theater. I'm so full. That's why I'm breathing heavy. I feel so out of shape. Oh my god. Well, my plate wasn't clear. I had some fries left, but that's because the fries tasted people like that is just horrible. Cause people are coming out at night, cause movie theaters are close to like 1 o'clock. They come out at night and clean that up. So you can have some girl out here with no cars, no witnesses, and then she gets snatched up because y'all want to be dirty.
You say that, girl.
Yeah, cause that used to be me at Brewster's. Cause I got tipped one time I had to take the trash out at night. Oh, I think we took the wrong. Oh, never mind. We can get here. So I just said that. I'm about to walk. I'm about to leave you because it's cold.
I'm coming. Right here.
She looks so.
Stop.
She looks so stressed, y'all.
Oh, that was a little stressed.
Oh, it's okay. It's raining a little harder. Let me put my phone away.
It's raining.
All right, guys. We have a ton of errands to run today. First things first, we're gonna go to Best Buy because I have an appointment with the Geek Squad for my computer, and then we're gonna go to the Michael's store, the thrift store, and the mall. So
Oh crap.
we're trying to.
Sorry, I left the thingy that I'm trying to return.
You're like, can't find the receipt. So I thought we were about to leave, but we're not. So we're gonna leave soon. What she would close the door? It's cold out here, and it's raining.
Need a tripod.
Okay, y'all. So I'm at Best Buy, and y'all know I've been trapping off my iPhone for the longest time, like literally years. And I'm thinking of getting a camera. I think I'm gonna get this camera right here. It's not the G7X like I wanted, but it's cheaper and it has good quality and it has the flip-up screen. So just looking like, but looking to see like how much it would cost in total. Cause I'm gonna get. Well, I have a tripod, but it's not the. What's it called?
Yeah, I mean you don't need that. You just need something.
Yeah, I could honestly. I don't need to buy a tripod right now.
Yeah, right now.
You know, it's only $20. The YouTube tripod. You know, it's only.
Yeah, y'all know what tripod.
You know the little. That one.
Yeah. Even though that would be cool though, because then we would have like my heavy duty tripod and then the bendy tripod. We would have two different.
This man is rude. And he looked over here.
Oh yeah, he was real rude.
Look over here again. I'm calling corporate. Okay. Because I'm Caucasian. I'm living my Caucasian life right now. But anyways, it doesn't say.
Yeah.
We were trying to figure out what
SD card, or if it matters.
I can get 2-year protection for $70.
I mean, but knowing you in electronics.
Wow. We don't talk about that right now. That was so rude.
Sorry.
That was so rude.
I know.
But yeah. So what was I gonna say?
I think this.
Yeah, that's still. But I was still penning. Like, the one on eBay was $500. So I was
this
still.
is cheaper than that.
And
You
even
were
if I
paying
get
at least to buy 500, so it
That's what
probably
I'm
might.
saying.
Yeah. Okay, I know what you're saying.
Yeah, like the 7 you shouldn't like be like, oh, because I was already planning on spending at least $500. You know.
Right.
So does it come with the battery too, or?
I don't know.
They
Yeah,
don't-
we just need to talk to somebody and ask like that.
Yeah, but not that man, because that man's rude. Not enough time for him.
There was an older man that seemed like he'd be nice. We just gotta find somebody. All right. We're gonna go find somebody.
1 second. All right, unboxing. Okay. What is this? That's for the battery. So we're just trying to see how much juice this has, because we could start using it now. I don't know if this is open. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely open. Okay. And then the SD card goes right by it. Okay, I just want to see how much. Can this close, please? Did I put it in the wrong way? Oh, I think I did. No. That's the little. Oh, okay. I had to push it down. Lock. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, set date and time. I don't know. Los Angeles. Oh, New York time. Duh. I don't know how I see the battery. This is so lit, y'all.
You should record your face now.
Okay.
So that it
Okay.
just pull it off.
Yay! It was kind of hot in this little car. All right. Put all the trash in here, you know. And then I got the battery charger in here as well. Yeah, I'm so happy. That's a decent battery right now, I think.
What is it at?
It's like 2 bars.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
I was gonna show it.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, it's about to die. Yeah. But I have this. Okay, I'm about to leave because I'm about to die. Bye. Yeah, okay, but it's about to die, so. But I'm super excited. Thumbnail. Bet, bro. And it's still like lightweight. It's heavier, but it's lightweight. I F with this. I'm super happy. You still recording?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
All right.
Put it back.
Bye.
Bye.